Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'll get to it. So this sketch is a two-perspective sketch on basically it looks like more like Rapunzel. I really enjoyed capturing this, and purely because it did remind me of Rapunzel and it was super fun to actually capture. It was geometric, heavily geometric, and with a slight bit of observational and gestural. Gestural purely because of basically where the trees were or the steps, because I literally just gave it a kind of gestural kind of feeling of like you can always go back. I'm rambling. The point of these sketches, this isn't my artwork, this is literally sketches to prepare and get foundational skills to prepare myself to be able to approach future artwork and get the proportions, perspective, everything on point. I am getting a lot better a lot quickly, and that is purely because of the learning methods I have applied for my sketches for portraits, which I have, I think it's about 206 sketches worth of portraits, and if you check them out, and that's a quick analysis of how I got on with them. Check out the rest of the channel and you'll see how, like, from the oldest portrait I should say, to the last one, there's a massive difference, so check that out. But yeah, I've utilised the learning methods that I used for the sketches for this as well, and there's a big difference. If you have any information that you'd like to know how I approached it, or further details, if you'd like me to do a different video on how I approach it and how I gained those skills very quickly and utilise them to my best ability, let me know as well, and I shall get back to you. Thanks guys!